This week's plugin is the Audio Visualizer. It's a plugin that allows you to add cool animations to your stream using sound as the animator. Let me show you how it works. Up here in the top right corner, you can see Go to Download, so we're just going to click on that. And we're going to select the appropriate download for whatever machine we're using. In my case, I'm using Windows. I'm going to use the installer for Windows, but there is a Mac OS one here as well. And now that we've downloaded it, I'm just going to open up a browser window here. And I'm going to go to my downloads and double click on my Spectralizer install. And I get this Windows protected PC because it is a plugin and it's not from any specific location or publisher. I'm just going to go ahead and click more info so it gives me the option to actually install it. I'm going to click run anyway. And once we get through the administrative privileges, we're going to come up to a license information. We'll just click next. Now it's going to ask you for the install location, so just make sure that this is where your OBS is actually installed and click next. And now it's going to tell me that OBS Studio already exists, which of course we know because it's already on there. And it's just going to verify everything. You can click next, and of course I'm going to get a nag screen here because I am using OBS Studio to record this video. So at this point, all I'm going to have to do is close out of OBS Studio and click next until it's finished. So you're not going to see that because I can't record in OBS Studio and install something on OBS Studio. So just know that you click next, 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 and finish, and everything is going to go to task. So let's open up our OBS here. All right, so now we have a pretty simple little overlay here. Now we're gonna add a little bit of animation to it in a really simple way. We're gonna use that Spectralizer. We're going to use this, that tool that we downloaded, the plugin, to add some really cool animation to this overlay. So I'm going to click the plus, and I'm going to go right here to the Spectralizer and click OK, and it adds it right here. And this is what it's going to look like. And right now there's no audio source, so let's add in our audio source. Right now we have the output capture and the input capture, so we'll just use the video input capture, and there you go. You can see what this is going to look like. You can select a color. Let's see, maybe even something like that would be pretty cool. All right, so now we have that, and it fits in pretty nicely. Let's get this set up so it fits what we're trying to do. So I'm going to take this right here. I'm going to right click, go to transform, and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. And I will grab it and stick it up over here. And what I'm going to do is just drag this out like that. And we're going to stick it on the side here. And there we go. And what I want to do is I want to make sure that it's behind my overlay. So I'm going to grab it and drag it down below the image. And that way I can kind of use the arrow keys and move it in a little bit there. And I'm going to right click, go to properties, and this will allow me to set it up a little bit more. So right now we have enable automatic scaling, but I can turn that off, and then I can just adjust the scaling to how I want it so it's not going off the screen or anything like that. It's pretty simple. We can scale, boost it, and all that kind of stuff. But you could see this adds a really cool animated effect to the outside of my overlay. I could put it down here on the bottom or up on the top. I mean, what I could do is I could drag, let's see here. Let's select my image, and we don't want the Spectralizer. And we'll drag this down here to the bottom, and we'll take this, and I'm going to rotate this again. Let's see, transform. We're going to rotate it 90 degrees. Yep, that's not what we want. So what we can do is transform, flip it vertical, and we'll put this over here, and we'll just add this kind of to the top of our overlay like this. And we'll move it up. And now we can adjust it again down here in the scale size so it's not peaking too much. But this does give us an animated overlay kind of thing. Now if you don't have this, that's okay. Let's just remove that, and we can move this up a little bit. We'll move my camera up a little bit here, and we'll resize this a little bit. Nope, that's the image. Let's move that out of the way here. And we'll resize our Spectralizer a little bit. And what we can do is we'll put it up here at the top edge. And remember, you can use the arrow keys to move this around. And then I'll just put this below my video. And there we go. And I can, now I have that up there. What I can do is right click it and we can go copy it and we can paste it as a duplicate. And I can go and right click it again, go to transform, can flip it on the vertical and then drag it down here. So now I have Spectralizer on the top and the bottom. And what I can do is just move that below there, so it's behind my camera. And now you can see I've got a cool little animation that can go along with the box around my screen, which is really awesome. What an absolutely awesome plugin. Do you have a plugin that you would like to see me do here in this segment? Let me know in the comments. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks that can help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.